Hello, welcome back. It's Khaleel here, Alert alum and friend of the Fringe, and we have another Alert alum with us today, Michael Kras.
Especially in the year that we were in, the festival that year had to pivot so many different times. This was like pre-COVID pivoting to a brand new thing.
Yeah.
And so it sort of indirectly taught me about the importance of finding creative pivots when problems and issues arise.
But yeah, there's certainly a lot of, as Ross and friends like to say, there's certainly a lot of pivoting. Can we hear a little bit about what you're working on like right now? Is it a secret?
Yeah, my focus is on playwriting nowadays. I went to theater school for acting and then picked up some producing skills just by doing it at the Fringe and stuff, and then joining Alert later and learning even more about that. So I've been working with Roseneath Theatre. They're a company in Toronto and they tour plays for school audiences. And so I've been developing a new play for high school audiences with them called No Big Deal. And it wouldn't have happened without the skills I got from the Fringe and from Alert as well. If you want to learn how to not just be a producer, but a really creative producer, Alert is invaluable for that.